Hi everyone, I'm Rosie and welcome to Vox Yoga. I'm really excited about today's video as it's all about exploring resonance whilst we are in different yoga postures. So I've just taught an hour's workshop on this and my voice and my body feel amazing. So I hope this will just give you some ideas of how you could incorporate singing and vocalizing into your yoga practice or yoga into your singing practice. So what is resonance? In the simplest form, resonance are those vibrations that you feel when you sing. So sometimes we talk about feeling more resonance in our head, sometimes on higher pitches or in our chest, maybe on lower pitches, but it can really vary and it's different from person to person. So by doing some vocalizing in these postures, it just helps to explore how this resonance can feel a little bit different, and it's just a fun exploration really. So how will this practice work? We're going to work through 5 simple yoga postures, and within that we're going to vocalize. And I'm going to kind of leave it up to you a little bit, so you don't have to do exactly what I do. I've pre-recorded a piano track which just outlines some notes in the chord. Do, 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 do. You can choose to just stick on one note. You could do a pattern, or 1, 5, 1 is what I'm going to do for this. Choose a sound that you like. It might just be a hum. Zzz, maybe change it up as we go along. So it's just exploring the voice, working around the chords, and I'll give you some guidance because certain pitches can feel better in certain postures, and we'll go from there. So just follow along with me and think of it as a bit of an exploration for your voice. Our first posture is child's pose. So make your way to the back of the mat. There are many ways to do child's pose. However, for this, I like to have my knees a little wider, as it means that my torso can then come forward and I feel there's a bit more space to resonate. So toes together, knees together or apart. And again, a few options. You can stretch the arms forward, maybe have them a bit more relaxed, or down by the side. Forehead's going to be on the mat. So your mouth and your face are going to be extremely close to the floor here, which is why you're going to feel resonance in a very different way to usual. Connect to the breath. Just become aware of each inhale and exhale. Feel expansion as you breathe in. Then when you're ready, starting to vocalize. Don't feel you have to be in time with the track, just work with your own breath. How did that feel? Take a moment to reflect. Then making our way to tabletop. So pressing into the palms. This is hands and knees essentially. So shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. Just breathe here, shut the eyes. A little bit of movement is fine, and then just come to what feels like a neutral spine for you. And of course there'll be a natural curve. Just draw the shoulder blades down and away from the ears. Feel the spines nice and lengthened, necks lengthened. Feel the breath. How does it feel in your body in this posture? When you're ready, start to vocalize, maybe change the sound or the pattern. Come back to the breath. How did that feel? Did you feel the resonance? Did you like the sound you chose, the pitches? You can always vary it and change it up each time. So our next posture is downward facing dog. So put the hands, plant the palms slightly further forward. Tuck the toes. Lift the seat to the sky. So before we start any vocalizing, have a little bit of movement, pedal the feet. Then start to think about the posture. Slight bend in the knees or a generous bend. Shoulders away from the ears. Energy through the fingertips. Heels drawing towards the floor. Breathe. And if this one gets too much, just drop the knees. Higher pitches can feel great in this posture, so maybe explore that. When you're ready, start to vocalize. Reflect on how that felt, what sensations, what resonance you felt. Okay, moving to our next posture, forward fold. So slowly walk the hands back to the feet. Folding forward from the hips. I would really keep the knees as bent as you like here. Just have a bit of movement first of all. Make sure your neck's relaxed. Relax the arms. And before we vocalize once more, check in with the breath. Do you feel it in the back? Sideways into the ribs expanding, abdominals releasing. When you're ready, we'll start to vocalise. Come back to the breath, think about how that felt. Where did you feel the resonance? Did you feel any resonance? Breathe. Our final posture is mountain, so tuck the chin and slowly roll up to stand. Head's the last to come up. Before you do anything, roll the shoulders, keep the eyes closed if it feels good. Breathe. How does your breath feel? Can you feel the energy moving? Make sure the knees aren't locked. Hands can come at the side or to prayer. It's up to you. We've come back to a lower pitch for our final posture to try and feel a bit more grounded. When you're ready, on a sound of your choice, feel what's left behind. Don't do anything, just be aware. The sensations in your body and how you feel now. When you're ready, breathe the eyes open. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you've enjoyed this practice. I'm actually going to be doing a new course soon, which is exploring resonance and exploring the voice a little bit more in a restorative way. So it'll be very much also connected to our breath. Relax, reset, and resonate. There we go. So if you've enjoyed this, hit subscribe so you get access to my weekly videos, and then check out my Instagram and website for more information about future classes. Thank you so much. Have a great day.